Motel 6 booking tips to avoid common reservation mistakes. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, for booking tips, what you can do is make sure you book pet-friendly room if needed. And if you want pet-friendly room, make sure you contact them. And for occupancy, make sure adults should include 18 years of age, and in some states it may be 19 to 21, so make sure you check that as well. And make sure you have an photo identification, which is also government issued, and also review the total prices including fees and taxes, and confirm cancellation policy. If you have to cancel, make sure you see if the refund is possible and check for reviews for that exact property as well. And after you do that, you're good to go. And these are Motel 6 booking tips to avoid common reservation mistakes. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.